Hello investors, welcome to the fifth video of how to analyze stocks on Sharply, and in this video we will focus on the forecast section. In the forecast section we provide data into four parts, and the first part is analyst recommendation. In this part we show total number of analysts tracking this stock. Out of them, how many have a strong buy rating and how many have a buy rating. So as we can see, 15 analysts have a strong buy, 4 analysts have a buy rating, 6 analysts have a hold rating, and there are 2 analysts with sell rating as of now. And as you can see, 55.56% of the total analysts have a strong buy rating. The second part is the target price, where we show the current market price along with the median target price, highest target price, average, and lowest target price. And we also show the same in the graphical format. So highest target price is 1500, a median is 1255, and the lowest target price is 975. Now, is higher target price useful, or is higher analyst strong buy rating is useful or not? We have written a very detailed article on each of this topic. You just simply need to click here and you will be able to read the same. Just a second, it will take a second to load. Yeah, here it is. We recommend you to read these articles. The third part is the financial estimate. Now here we give the analyst estimates of EPS and sales, and again we show median, highest, and lowest values. Now these are the analysis for FY 24, and both analysis are visible here. And the last part is the earnings revision. Now in earnings revision, we saw how EPS revision have been done by the analysts. So as we can see, for March 2024, EPS is being downgraded since December 23. But if you look at the March 25 EPS revision, forecast revision data, it is on the upside. So that's it. This is how you can use the forecast section and analyze how analysts are thinking about these stocks and what analysts are suggesting as per their research.